Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can add contacts in Pipedrive. This is useful for managing your CRM and keeping track of clients efficiently. So once you're on your Pipedrive dashboard, you will just have to click contacts. And once you're here, just click this button right here, which says plus person. So yeah, what you will have to do is you will just have to enter their details such as their name, their organization, their phone number, their email, and of course the labels. But it's really up to you what you want to label them as. So yeah, and that's basically just it. And once you're satisfied with your details, you will just have to click this button right here which says save, and they will be added to your contacts. So yeah, that's basically just it, and I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.